You see, this portion has to be understood. Actually, dharma reduces the karma. I was telling you in one discourse, do you understand? If somebody comes with a stomach problem, I tell them, feed 100 children, give food for 50 children, give free food for, do some another. When you do some dharma, actually your karma disappears. Your being expands. So try to encourage them. If you feel that they will not feel disturbed, but if you tell them to somebody, I have seen some people, they will come and tell, oh Swamiji, you are my whole life, you are my everything, I have surrendered my whole life to you, you are my being, everything. When they go out, if secretary asks something, why don't you take up someone Annadhanam, some service project, they will say, no, they will never come back to the ashram. So that type of people don't disturb, at least let them come and have the meditation and healing. Somebody feels like serving anyway. After all, it is going to go back to the society. Understand, my monthly expense is only 45 rupees.
I have a question, sorry to interrupt. Now that Annadhanam, how about education?
Yes.
That's what I believe.
We are now taking up some project in education also. We are trying to set up the institution. You see, to set up an infrastructure in India takes too much. We are trying, whatever way it is possible, we are trying. Mainly I am going to concentrate on the 3 lines. Education, Annadhanam only for kids, the young kids. In India, kids don't get the nutritious meal. At least in villages they don't get. So we are thinking of giving them one meal. We used to do the service earlier. Because the infrastructure we couldn't accommodate, manage. So we are creating infrastructure now. We'll be having a steam kitchen and all those infrastructure. So when the infrastructure is done, things will happen. Giving them spiritual thing. Of course, that we are already doing. Just now, other day in the Salem, we did a mass meditation camp. 12 hours camp. One and a half days. 12 hours means type of camps we can continuously conduct in every place. Food, the base, all the basic things are provided. That's what I call it as Jnanadhanam. Jnanadhanam, when the meditation is given, their whole life transforms. A lot of things happens in their life. And mass meditation camps, mass healing camps, which are popular in all over South India. Everywhere we set up the mass healing camps and mass meditation camps, where thousands of people gather for meditation and for healing. Some of the camps photographs also I brought. You can see them. These are the services done. In the mass meditation, mass healings, nothing is charged, totally free, including the food. When the food is given, free of cost. This type of services we do. Encourage them to participate in some service, but don't force them. To set up a center, you will need a spacious room where you can conduct healing meditation. You know, my personal expense is 40 rupees per month. My soap and the shaving blade. And I have no personal special food. Whatever people eat in ashram, the same food. But nothing special. Of course, if you come to the ashram, then you will know this few meters of cloth which somebody presents.
That's really nice.
The masters use as channels for the society's equality to be maintained. From the rich people, if it is taken and given to the poor people, the equality is maintained. So masters are used as channels for that, to keep the society balanced. Otherwise the whole thing will be accumulated in the one end itself, one corner itself. Spacious room where you can conduct healing meditation without disturbing the privacy and activities of your household. The kit which includes a big laminated photograph of Swamiji, a board which says Jnanapidam Healing Center, Research Center. I think here you can't keep the board, Jnanapidam Healing Research Center. At least if you want to, you keep one feet size, that's all. A small little corner, so that people who want to know. If they see the board, they will ask what is healing, what is, just to create the inquisitiveness. In India they keep big boards with my big face. So it is all up to you. It is all not. I think all of you have got photograph of Swamiji. Anybody? Who don't have photographs? Last time in the healer's initiation is done like this photo is given for everybody. And this time who will take the responsibility of creating and supplying it? Someone of you take the responsibility. And print and give for one house one is enough. Not for one healer one. One house one is enough. Please all of you take the photograph. And whatever cost price you all share. That's all. Whosoever takes the photo, share it. But don't stop only hanging me in the wall. Wall also. As I said, if you just hang me in the wall, you crucify. If you follow me, only then you really use it. If you feel like in your house somebody will not accept, if you put my photograph, then don't put. It's not a compulsory. It's all your option. Anybody who's got a problem? Like that? If you have a problem, then problem. Otherwise you have it. But it is good to have a master's photograph because that will not only radiate energy, continuously make you remember.
For me, it's not a problem. Have other master's photos also.
Perfectly alright.
Yeah, that's what you
You see, I have written. You did not read.
Yeah,
Few words. I have very clearly written. You are free to follow any other master as well. I say to you, go wherever you like, gather the loveliest flowers you can find from any corner of spirituality and make yourself a beautiful bouquet. Don't go to a person who says don't go to others. You find out, you be very clear, do. Always you be aware, because you see the real, when it happens, when a really when a person becomes enlightened, he very clearly experiences that all the masters are same energy. It is not that I tell you to believe, it is my truth. It is simply truth. An arrangement for appropriate music to be played in the center at all times. Whenever you heal, you have the chanting box also with you. The chanting box is produced for you. Have the chanting box, let it chant. If you can't set up,
Can you use the chanting box when you do the meditation?
yes, it's perfectly alright. Perfectly alright. You see, just if you switch on the chanting box and sit quietly, that itself is a meditation. Your whole being will be vibrating to you with that music. That's perfectly alright. If you can't set up things very professionally, never mind. It is just the beginning. And after all, the spirit of the initiative is what really counts. You see, I don't make all these things as a rule or regulation. If you can't get something, don't feel too bad. Try all your best to have the things. It is going to benefit you only. It is no way going to benefit me. You understand? If you don't keep the photo, if you keep the photo, am I going to have any benefit? Nothing. If you keep the photo, it's benefit for you. If you don't, perfectly alright, I have no problem. And I will have work less because one on photo means one on cell phone connection. Everywhere will be ringing. Ringing, I have to go on attend continuously. I have to go around attending. One less photo means one less cell phone connection, that's all. Attend all the healers meet whenever they are held in your city. So next time when I come, naturally you will be here. Healers meet are a forum offer. In India, healers initiation is done only in ashram. Everywhere I do ASP, in Mumbai we do ASP, in everywhere we do ASP. Initiation means they have to come down to ashram only. And that is the reason it is very difficult to have initiation in India. And I create all possible complications. All possible complications. And all the program I always come little half an hour, 1 hour late. But for healers initiation, come exactly at time I will come and sit and lock the door. Anybody comes 3 minutes, 4 minutes late, they have to go back. All possible complications will be created for healers initiation. But no money will be taken. As far as the money concerned, it is free. But the spiritual commitment, all possible complications will be created for healers initiation. You see, you can understand. He is my inmate, I am coming with me, now only he is having initiation. All possible hindrance will be created to filter the unnecessary crowd. And you said that green chili garlic, that clarification some people have left. That's actually good. How many wants, let them leave. And for ASP I want as many as possible. But for Healers Initiation I don't want as many as possible. I wanted the quality, not the number. I wanted the qualitative people who are ready to have the spiritual journey. Because healers are the people whom I feel as my own. Once you are a healer, you are my family. So I wanted the qualitative people. That's why I tell. And one more thing. Whenever you go to any other country, any other city, whatever help you want, you can have from our healers list. There is a network. We always tell them, and they do it also. Anywhere, whatever best possible helps they will do it. And the same way, you also try to have a courteous relationship with them. Feel them, they are all your family. Only thing, whether verify this is the same person. They will bring a paper. If you are 4 persons in one house, write all the 4 persons' name, your house address. If you are only one healer, write your name, your address. And if you don't want to give your address, you can say in the bracket, I don't want my address to be published. It will not be published. If you want only your cell phone, then write only the cell phone. You see, what can be published in the book, please you write now. It is all your option. Nothing is a rule. If you want, I can give healing, but I don't want the people to come to my house. If they come to my office, that's okay. Then give that address. All those things you decide. Now itself you fill it up in the form. But what you write in the paper will appear the same way in the book. Please you understand that. Wherever you go, you want any help from that place, you can see our healers list. And they will all be out to do the help. And same way you also give them courteous help whenever they are here, whenever they want any help. Have a courteous, beautiful, loving relationship. I don't say don't overdo, don't go beyond your limits. In your hands, in your limits, whatever possible help, try to always do. Telling them where to go, how to do, or where to go and stay, guiding them to some nearby hotel or any this type of helps. You can always do. So you can feel that you have a big family all over the world. A healers meet usually starts with a discourse by Swamiji. Healers meet are a forum for healers to discuss running of the centers, share experiences and spend some precious and intimate moments with Swamiji. Healers meet India, nobody misses because they can be very intimate in such a small group. See, here it is very easy. In India, availability is very, very difficult as a small group. Healers meet usually starts with the discourse by Swamiji, followed by the healers puja, where the healers themselves are worshipped. In Swamiji's words, you are my people. You are the representative of the divine. When you are worshipped, people are worshipping the me in you. Please be very clear, you are the donkey carrying the statue. The most poignant moment of the meet is when Swamiji himself prostrates at the feet of the healers. An eloquent statement about the divinity hidden deep in each of us. The special meditation practice only by healers is also performed, followed by energy darshan. The best times for healing are dawn and dusk. These I think you are all. Entering the space of bliss. Let us go to that. And one more thing. 100% guarantee, no side effect will be there. No side effect will be there. That much we are sure. Because it is totally to do with the energy. In America only they wanted some disclaimer to be done. You can have your own disclaimers. I have no problem. You have a disclaimer if it is necessary. But I can be sure no side effect will be there. That much is sure. It will be nice if you can record the testimonials and send it to the ashram. In our ashram publications, it will be printed. We are starting a regular magazine, email, e-letter and a printed magazine. Also there's a magazine and the e-letter getting published from Ashram. Now they are starting, as soon as I go back, the magazine will be started. The e-letter, they are already forming a whole setup. So it will reach everybody. Not only it will reach everybody, there is a publication coming continuously, the books are getting printed. Voice of Gratitude in English and Nandri, thank you in Tamil. So all the testimonials are being collected and printed as volumes continuously. So any testimonial, any reminiscence, I request one more thing. There is a book called Garland of Memories. Any of you have read? Reminiscences of Devotees. If you also can reminisce what you felt, what's your experience with me, how you met and all those things. If you are a writer, if you are otherwise also, if you can write your reminiscence and send it to me, it will be published in the reminiscence book. If you send testimonials, it will be added in the Voices of Gratitude. So by this way you can participate in our publications. Your name also will be there, your photograph will be there.